Today we are going to discuss about exponents and powers, chapter 11, CBSE mathematics. So in this chapter, exponents and powers, what is the meaning of this one? Where do we use in daily life? We can discuss. So where do we use these formats, exponents and powers means? In science or somewhere, if you see the mass of the earth, do you know what is the mass of the earth? If you write, you have to write 6 follows 24 zeros kg. Suppose what is the distance between Mars and Earth? What is the distance between Earth and other planet? What is the distance between Sun and Saturn? These all are very long numbers and large numbers. These numbers to write these numbers, to read, to compare, to understand, it is very difficult. To make these numbers easy to read, easy to understand, easy to compare, we use exponents. In this chapter, we shall learn about exponents and also learn how to use them. Was the children? Now we are going to how to write large numbers in a shorter form using exponents. For example, look at here one number 62000. One big number is there. How to write this number? Otherwise 1024. Otherwise like this. This number simply you can write 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. So we can express this number as 10 to the power of 5. This number you can write as 2 multiplied by 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 2. So that means 2 to the power of 10. We can express these large numbers in the short form instead of this one. Actually this number is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. So this number you can express as simply like this. Look at here, 10,000 number is there here. This 10,000 can write as 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by. How many times you are written? 4 times. That is equal 10 to the power of 4. How to write this number? Here 10 to the power of 4. In 10 to the power of 4, 10 is called base. Here 4 is called exponent. Exponent. How to read this number 10 to the power of 4 is read as 10 raised to the power 4 or simply 4th power of 10. 10 to the power of 4 is the exponential form of 10,000. So now we can discuss some questions in exercise 1. How to expand short numbers. How to write large numbers in the short form. Look at here. Here first question is the find the value of 2 to the power of 6. Find the value of 2 to the power of 6. Here find the value of 2 to the power of 6. 2 to the power of 6 means here base is the 2, exponent is the 6. So 2 multiplied by 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 2. You have to multiply 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 2 is 16, 16 2 is 32, 32 2 is 64. So 2 to the power of 6 is equal to 64. 2 to the power of 6 is the exponential form of 64. And the 64 is the value of 2 to the power of 6. How to write? Exponential form of 64 is equal to 2 to the power of 6, or value of 2 to the power of 6 is equal to 64. Like this you can do remaining questions also. Now second question is the 9 cube. Here base is the 9, power or exponent is the 3. So 9 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 9. That is equal to 9 9 ja 81, 81 9 ja 729. So value of 9 cube is equal to 729. Now come to the third question, 11 square. 11 multiplied by 11, that is equal to 11 11 ja 121. Therefore value of 11 square is equal to 121. If we look at the fourth question is the 5 to the power of 4. 5 to the power of 4 equal to 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. 5 5 ja 25, 25 5 ja 125, 125 5 ja 625. Therefore value of 5 to the power of 4 is equal to 625. Now look at the second Roman. Express the following in exponential form. Express the following in exponential form. Look at here, 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6. So how to write here this answer? Look at here, I am writing here only. Question 1, that is equal to 6 to the power of 4. Now second answer, look at here, t multiplied by t, that is equal to t square. B multiplied by B multiplied by B multiplied by B, that is equal to B to the power of 4. Here 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. This answer is 5 square multiplied by 7 cube. Here 2 square multiplied by a square, this answer. So here look at here, a multiplied by a multiplied by a, that is equal to a cube. C multiplied by C multiplied by C multiplied by C, that is equal to C to the power of 4 multiplied by D. If you come to next question, third, express each of the following numbers using exponential notation. Here given some numbers, 512, 343, 729, 3125. 4 numbers are given. You have to express in exponential form. So here sixth question also same thing. Sixth question is the express each of the following as a product of powers of their prime factors. Prime factors, here you can write any factors, but both are you can in the same way. Now I will tell first question of 512. Now we are going to third Roman first question to express in exponential form in their factors. So you can do this one in different ways. Now I am telling one method, that is a 512. You can factorize, prime factorization. 256 to 2 times 120 is even number, no, it is also even number. Simplify it, 64. 2 32 times 2 16 2 8 times, 2 4 times, 2 2 times. So overall, how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All are 2s only. 512 equal to 2 multiplied by 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 2. That is equal to 2 to the power of 9. Same question you can express in another way also. For example, 512 divided by 8. 864 J. 8 J. So 512 equal to 8 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 8. That is equal to 8 cube. In the given question, only we have to express 512 in the exponential form only. Not only prime factors, not only composite or mixed. So that's why both are correct. Only in any method you can do. Either you can express as 8 cube, you can express as 2 to the power of 9. Both are correct. Now, second question. 343. Now we are going to express 343 in exponential notation. So 343. 343. So 3, 4, 3. If you look at this, it is not an even number. So 2 table is not possible. If you sum all the digits also, 3 table not possible. 5 not possible. Next go for 7 table. 749. So 7, 7. So 343 is equal to 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. That is equal to 7 cube. 7 cube is the exponential form of 343. Next question number 3, 729. 729. 729, which table? 9 table. 981. 99. So 729 is equal to 9 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 9. That is equal to 9 cube. Question 4, 3125. 3125. 3125, it is end with 5. So definitely it will, table is possible. 625. 5 6 5 2. So next again end with 5. So 125. So again 5 table. 525. Again 5 table. 5 5. So 3125 is equal to 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So 3125 equal to 5 to the power of 5. So 5 to the power of 5 is the exponential form of 3125. Value of 5 to the power of 5 equal to 3120. Next one is identify the greater number wherever possible in each of the following. Here you have to in first question 4 cube or 3 to the power of. In these two, which is greater? 4 cube is greater or is 3 to the power of 4 greater? You have to find the value individually, 4 cube and 3 to the power of 4. After that, you have to identify which is greater express using greater than symbol or less than symbol. And sometimes both are also equal. You have to think them, but by seeing you can't tell. You have to calculate the each and every one value. Now 4 cube. 4 cube or 3 to the power of 4. You have to identify which is the greater, which is the smaller. So that means indirectly you have to compare them. So first you have to calculate the value of 4 cube. 4 cube means 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64. 3 to the power of 4. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81. Look at here 4 cube, value of 4 cube equal to 64, value of 3 to the power of 4 equal to 81. In these two, which is greater? 81. But 81 is greater than 64. But don't write like that. Question is what? Which is the greater? So you have to, in this, 3 to the power of 4 is the greater. So you have to express 3 to the power of 4 is greater than 4 cube. This is the answer. Now, second question is the 5 cube or 3 to the power of 5. Question 2 is the 5 cube or 3 to the power of 5. By seeing bases or by seeing exponents, don't come to any conclusion. So first you have to calculate the 5 cube. 5 cube equal to 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. That is equal to 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125. So 3 to the power of 5. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81, 81 3 is 243. So which is the greater? 243 is the greater. So the value of 3 to the power of 5 is the 243. The value of 5 cube is the 125. So now 3 to the power of 5 is greater than 5 to the power cube. So next question is 2 to the power of 8 or 8 square or 8 to the power of 2. Which is the greater? 2 to the power of 8 is equal 2 multiplied by 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 2. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 16 2 is 32, 32 2 is 64, 64 2 is 128, 128 2 is 256. 8 square. 8 multiplied by 8. 8 8 is 64. So, which value is greater? 2 to the power of 8 is the greater. So, 2 to the power of 8 is greater than 8 square. Next question is little interesting question. There is the 100 square and 2 to the power of 100. So, in this question, 100 square you can easily calculate 100 multiplied by 100 is equal to 10,000. But 2 to the power of 100 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by, you have to write 100 times. So here this question you have to do in little logical way. How means? In the previous question we have calculated 2 to the power of 10 equal to 1024. So 2 to the power of 11 equal to how much? 2048. Like this, if you are doing 2 to the power of 12, you will get the 4000. 2 to the power of 13 equal to 8000. 2 to the power of 14 equal to, you will get 16,000. Look at here, children. It is crossed to the 10,000. That means 2 to the power of 14 equal to 16,000 means 2 to the power of 100 will get the, we cannot expect the crores. So that's why definitely here 2 to the power of 100 is the larger, that is than 100 square. So we have to write like this. So 2 to the power of 100 is the larger. So the next question is 2 to the power of 10 or 10 square. Just now we discussed, and earlier also we discussed the 2 to the power of 10. 2 to the 2 multiplied by 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 2. That is equal to 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16, 16 to 32, 32 to 64, 64 to 128, 128 to 256. Like that, if you get 1024. So 10 square is equal 10 multiplied by 10, that is equal 100. So which is the greater? 2 to the power of 10 is greater than 10 square. So remaining exercise you can discuss in the next video. Please, if you want some more videos, please like and subscribe this channel. So remaining questions you can discuss. Fifth question is similar to the question number 3 only, you can, but here condition is definitely you have to express in the prime factors. But in the question number 3 you can express in any factors. But here prime factors, definitely you have to first expand these numbers in the prime factors using prime factorization and express them in the prime factors. Then after that you have to express in the exponential form. This remaining questions you can watch in next video. Thank you.